Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to stretch video in Premiere Pro. So to stretch video in Premiere Pro, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is launch your Adobe Premiere Pro and open your project. Once you open your project, drag the video clip you want to stretch into the timeline. Then from there, go to the sequence settings and change the resolutions to fit your desired aspect ratio. So after that, select the video clip in the timeline, go to the effect control panel and uncheck uniform scale. Then after that, use the scale slider to stretch the video horizontally or vertically until it is fit to the frame or fit the frame. And after that, manually adjust the position of the video clip if needed to ensure it's centered or aligned. And after that, play back your timeline to preview the stretched video and make any necessary adjustment. And after that, once you are satisfied with the changes, export your video using the export settings that best suits for your project. And that's how to stretch video in Premiere Pro. If you find this video helpful, follow for more.